The problem that we are given is what mass of calcium carbonate will be needed to decompose to 3.45 liters of carbon dioxide at 298 Kelvin and 0.9 atm. To do this, we use the equation PV equals nRT. P stands for pressure at atm, V is for volume with liters, N for moles, R for the constant 0.0821, and T for temperature. Our problem gives us the volume at 3.45 liters, the pressure at 0.9 atm, the temperature at 298 Kelvin, and we need to solve for N. To do this, we plug it in to PV equals nRT to solve for N. 0.9 times 3.45 equals N times 0.0821 times 298. If you do that math, you get N equals 0.127 moles. But the problem asks for it in grams. So we have to take that and put it over 1 and multiply it by the molar mass, which is 100.086 grams, and you get 12.711 grams.